In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steam ID 64. This is the unique 17-digit number permanently assigned to your Steam account. You'll need it for things like third-party apps, server whitelists, certain mods, and API-based tools. It always starts with 765611, and unlike a custom profile name or vanity URL, this number never changes, which makes it the most reliable identifier for your account. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer and logging in. Make sure you're in the main desktop client, not big picture mode, and give the app a moment to fully load your profile. If Steam prompts you to update or verify your login, go ahead and complete that so everything displays correctly. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the Steam window. You'll see your display name next to your avatar. Click your display name to open a small menu. From that menu, choose Account Details. This takes you to a page that summarizes key information tied to your account. On the Account Details page, you'll see your username at the top. Just below it, look for the field labeled Steam ID. This is the 17-digit number that begins with 765611. That is your Steam ID 64. Take a moment to confirm that it's a long numeric string and not a custom name or URL. If you see something shorter or anything with letters, you're not looking at the right field. Steam ID 64 is strictly numbers. To copy it, click and drag to highlight the full number, then copy it like you would any other text. If your interface allows it, you might also be able to right-click and copy, or use your system's copy shortcut. Paste it into a safe place, like a Notes app or a document you use for game server info, so you can grab it quickly whenever a mod or server asks for it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.